Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. I looked through the internet, checked the official specifications, expert reviews, and user feedback to find out whether the WOLFBOX G840S is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest reason people choose the G840S is its mirror-style design. Instead of mounting a small screen on your windshield, this dash cam replaces your rearview mirror with a large 12-inch touchscreen display. It gives you a much wider view of what's happening behind your vehicle while still functioning as a normal mirror. For larger vehicles, SUVs, pickups, and trucks, this wider visibility can make everyday driving and parking much easier. Video quality is another major strength. The front camera records in crisp 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera captures full HD 1080p footage. During the day, the recordings are sharp enough to capture road signs, lane markings, and license plates with impressive clarity. The combination of the 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens also helps reduce blind spots by covering more of the road than many traditional dash cams. Night driving is where many dash cameras struggle, but the G840S performs surprisingly well. It uses HDR and WDR image processing together with a high-quality 6-glass lens to balance bright headlights and dark road conditions. Reviews across the internet consistently mention that nighttime footage is clear enough for daily driving, making it a dependable option for drivers who spend a lot of time on the road after dark. Another feature I really like is the built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Compared to older 2.4 GHz systems, file transfers are much faster, making it easy to download recordings directly to your smartphone using the WOLFBOX app. You can watch live video, manage settings, review recordings, and quickly share important footage without removing the memory card. The included external GPS antenna is another useful addition. Every recorded video can include your driving speed, location, and route information, which can be valuable evidence if you're ever involved in an accident or insurance claim. Parking assistance is another area where this dash cam shines. When reversing, the rear camera provides a clear live view that makes parking easier, especially for larger vehicles with limited rear visibility. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring through time-lapse recording, although you'll need to purchase a separate hardwire kit if you want continuous protection while your vehicle is parked. One thing I also appreciate is that WOLFBOX includes a 32 GB micro SD card in the box. Many competing dash cams require you to purchase a memory card separately, so having one included means you can start recording almost immediately after installation. Of course, no product is perfect. While the mirror design is excellent, installation takes a little more time than a standard windshield-mounted dash cam because you'll need to route the rear camera cable through the vehicle. Also, if you plan to use parking surveillance, remember that the hardwire kit is sold separately. So, would I recommend buying it? After researching everything available online, my answer is yes. If you're looking for a feature-packed mirror dash cam with excellent 4K recording, a large touchscreen display, front and rear cameras, GPS tracking, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, and strong overall value, the WOLFBOX G840S is an excellent choice. It offers a great balance between premium features and affordability. Overall, I think the WOLFBOX G840S is one of the best mirror-style dash cams in its category. Its combination of sharp video quality, wide viewing angles, useful smart features, and included accessories makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone wanting better visibility and extra protection on every drive. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you decide whether the WOLFBOX G840S is the right dash cam for your vehicle. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews.